I'm Graham. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a shorter video for you. It's a little bit shorter than I normally do. No mail today either, which is a big thing. Today's video I was going to include in the last one I put out, but it was getting a bit long, so I cut this bit of scenery upgrade from the end of that video, and I'm going to put it out now as a separate one today. What I've been working on is my cemetery. I've been trying to get it upgraded to where it's got headstones and a bit of weeds and things in it, so I think I've finally got there. The other thing I did today, I went to my local Toy World store and bought a bag of some 33 tyres for slot cars. I knew he had them, he found them in a stock take that they did recently, and they were laying there until nobody knows what they fit or how old they are. So we did a deal, and for $5 I've got 33 tyres. So even if I only get two that are any good, I'm in front. But by the look of it, I think I'll do reasonably well out of it. So I might take you over to the bench and show you those first. Here's the bag of tyres that I've just acquired from my local Toy World. As you can see, there are 33 tyres in here, all different types. There are a number of Michelin treaded tyres. I'm not sure what they're off. They're brand new, I think. I don't think much of them have been used, if any. That Michelin's got a bit of a wear on him. There's a set of I think there was a set of 6 the Pirelli tyres. It's a brilliant collection. All I got to do is find things that'll fit. But I'm sure I've got enough scale electrics around here that need tyres that some of these will fit. Yeah, there's 6 Pirellis, which are brand new. They've never been run. I don't know whether they've been fitted or not. Nobody knows how old they are, but that's of little consequence, I suppose. Even if I only use them as front tyres on some of my cars, that's well worth the money I spent. And there's 6 Michelins. They're all treaded. I don't know what they came off, but or what they were meant for. But they're there. And then there's you'll have to sort them all into different sizes, but there's quite a number of different tyres there, say 33 in all, and brand new tyres, unroaded. There's some there's just one of, but most of them there's at least pairs and that sort of thing. So I think I'm a bit chuffed with that. I think I did reasonably well with that buy. All right, now we'll get on to the cemetery, and today we're going to finish off our graveyard, which we started a long time back and never actually got round to finishing. I asked my grandson to print me some 3D printed headstones, but he hasn't got round to it. He's too busy these days, so I decided to have a go at making my own. So, I'm going to cut out a couple of headstones, stick them to the foam board and see what we come up with. I don't know whether the size is quite right, but I think it'll fit nicely and look pretty reasonable, so that's the important thing. Right. So I don't mind the dints and bits of cracks and things in this board, because I think that adds a bit of authenticity to this job. Very, very intricate. Let's see how we go. Right, there we go. Now we're going to try and brighten them up with a bit of paint. Yeah, we don't want much, but we've got to just put a bit of, make them look a little bit better than they do. We want probably a light grey. That's more than enough. So we'll start by mixing a minuscule of black. I'm thinking of trying a bit of brown in it as well, just to give it a bit of a lift along. Yeah, that's what I want, a bit of needs to be a bit back of them that nobody will see much, but anyway, we'll slap a rough bit of paint on, and in the front we might have to put a light wash over. That crack showed up beautifully. That's what I wanted. A nice dark crack down the back of him. You often see on old headstones. By the time we get the last one done, we'll probably have him about right. Thought I did an extra one. So we'll see what he looks like, because symmetry's not correct without a cross in it, so we better get one painted up. Okay, now we'll give them a little bit of time to dry, and we'll go and have a look and see what if we can get them into place, see what they look like. Fourth one in the front, 3 in the back. That might do. Got room for a couple more if I get energetic enough to make them. About there. I'm getting leaning a bit skewy. A little bit skewy, really. Right. So there's our cemetery about finished. It's got some headstones that look reasonably old and grotty. A couple of dead trees, which is often the sight in these old country cemeteries. So yeah, I think that'll do nicely for there. Well, I think that'll do us for today. That's making a cemetery look pretty reasonable now, I think. I'm quite happy with that. Just thought I'd let you know that we're going away on the weekend. Got to go attend a family funeral up on the north coast of New South Wales, and we thought while we're there, why not go for a bit of a trip? So we'll be away for about 3 months, I think, back mid-September. So I won't be doing a lot of content in that time. I might do a little bit. I'm trying to get to the swap meet at Sydney Motorsport Park in August. We should be at that. And while we're travelling, I might get back to Show Us Your Slots in Lemon Tree Passage, and maybe even RPM in Harvey Bay. But we'll see, and see if we can put up a little bit of content on some of those things while we're away. All right, well, if you like this sort of content, please like, subscribe and comment. Just because I'll be travelling, I'll be able to pick up your comments and reply as always. And if you want to exchange stickers, I'll have my stickers with me. So yeah, just drop me a line and I'll get some in the mail to you, and you can post them off, and my post box will be cleared regularly. So see you again soon.